Meghalaya Social Programs Welfare Development Organisation MSPWDO ha kejinga trelang bat ke All Meghalaya Dancer Association AMDA kan sepelong ya kejinga kop syat bat ruai na ke benta ki kena skul bat kan long ha ke syitrik unai lar arjar arpun riu ha ke porch pau beje menstep ha soso tam auditorium State Central Library Shillong bat kinong isyem benta kin long tangki kena skul na dok ke kelas ke pendriu ha dok ke kelas ke bekat ar ha bakran hai kilat pat hai kubor Shillong Press Club ubakit bok taba ulong baha kini kejeng yakop kenjet shpau tuli kiken hon na kaliang jong kasyat bat shpau tuli kiken hon ha kaliang jong kerwai kesiau ki bakwa ban shementa ya ki video bat syat bat ki barwai ki haban pa online bat ya ki form di ban yo ya kejeng menjon nak ki principal jong skul ke baki pule ya ki bejau kin ai kusnam da kapisa bat kesernon kinang job ha kini kejeng yakop wai bat syat kin yo rung sha kejeng yakop final ya ki form la ban yo na sinat supermarket ke dukan number saupo mau karpan ke badan hajan jong ke jaka yang kali jaya bat auto rickshaw mulai bat la ban phone hau new number nyong riu sau iwe kendai ar not prasan lai kong mania sotun ke beri ke organizing secretary jong ke MSPW DO kalau kerpat ya berok ki kena skul bakin pak da ki ken na skul ki bedan ke sab ban syat bat ban roi na ke benta ban yeshim benta na ke benta ki jingte bakam penya bat ban register la ban phone na ni WhatsApp ha ki ni ki number nyon riu sa we kendai ar not prasan lai bat kendai ar lai not we prasan
Program Welfare Development Organization. And I'm so happy that All Meghalaya Dancer Association was collaboration with us. So we are happy to announce you all the schools from Meghalaya and the student as well that we organized this inter-school dancing and singing. Is our aim to an objective is to encourage and bring the platform of all students in Meghalaya. So I requested all the school if you have any students that have the talented, so we can send the video. Then that the number will be available on the screen and in the poster as well. So first of all, on that day they will have the awareness program regarding of drug substance abuse. Second is HIV and drugs, and third is child right and protection. And our organization was established in 2007. We are registered with the government, and our motto is to protect the human right. So we are working many activities like awareness program since 2010 up to 2025.
Kinong bisa hak dancing ti kinday benabar. Iwan dalam nabar kanong kuy no. Kinday giba irwa kidon nasani. Kinong wa kidon nasani giba akam longpau. Mo kita kesalong kijat sebelah mikmat ha ni po Meghalaya jun la di kinong wa mikmat ha. Teki kesalong kijat.
Baru sekali na benhon kisah.
Namata juga solo kan long tang aspa tingkah. Panaga grup kan lontang san sepatingka. Tiada kabenta ka ban namata ka ban petkai ki sulong tang ban donation. Ki bawan tu ki sulong tang donation kanum dan tiket namata jengki.